The Pixel 5 has been hiding in plain sight from everybody, and you just haven't noticed. What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. Basically, Google has given you every single breadcrumb that you could possibly think of to know exactly what to expect out of the Pixel 5, what it'll probably look like, and they've been telling you exactly whatever the future generation of a fall release phone has been like for the past several Pixel devices. So let's go on this journey, shall we? So let's talk about the evolution of the Pixel 3 to the 3A to the 4 to the 4A. And you can kind of see that Google tells you fairly early in the year exactly what their premium fall release phone is going to look like. If you go back and look at the Pixel 3, it has the historically large bathtub notch at the very top. And fast forward to the 3A and 3A XL series, and you can see that the forehead has gotten significantly smaller and there is no notch. And also that camera has kind of moved a little further left on the screen, so you can see the iteration between the 3 and the 3A and the 3A XL. The notch is gone and the forehead's gotten smaller, and then the camera on the front has moved to the left. And both of those still had only one lens shooter on the back, so I'm going to skip that part. Then talk about the evolution of the 3A to the 4XL or the 4. The idea that you now still see a significantly smaller forehead, although it has the Soli chip and all that other jazz in the top, you still don't see a notch. And yet again, in the upper left-hand corner, you see that camera. So you can see again the evolution of the 3A to the 4. So again, the 3A, which came out earlier in the year compared to the 4, told you exactly what to expect at the very top of the screen when you're looking at a Google Pixel device in the fall. Now that was actually the first year that Google came with the 2 cameras on the back, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that here in a little bit, but now let's talk about the evolution of the 4 to the 4A. The 4A, you can see right now, it has the punch hole design and no forehead, no bottom bezel at all as it relates to the screen real estate in the 4A. So wouldn't you know it, the rumors that people are showing out there on the internet right now that the Pixel 5 will, guess what, have no forehead and no chin at the bottom and a punch hole for a front-facing camera in the upper left. Again, if you just follow the breadcrumbs that Google has given you, you can see exactly what the 5 is going to look like in the fall. Now going back to the fact that the Pixel 4 had 2 cameras, it's also rumored that there's going to be 2 cameras on the back of the Pixel 5, and why should they put any more cameras in there? Because they simply blow everybody away when it comes to the pictures that the Pixel series takes. One thing that Google has always been known for being really bad at is the video. But then check out my link up here where it talks about how the 4A has gotten significantly better video and audio when recording that video. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what the Pixel 5 could come and show in terms of video recording compared to some of its older cousins. So we talked about what it could potentially look like, and Google's giving you those breadcrumbs, already confirmed the things that Google has said it's going to have with 5G. What about the price? Well, Google has done a really good job at pricing the 4A at $350, and they've actually teased the fact that, hey, would you pay for a premium Google device at $699? So Google has a chance to really kind of spearhead the market right now. I think if you see a Pixel 5 come out somewhere between $600 and $700, it will sell extremely well. Now, as well as the 4A, that's to be determined, because $350 for what you get in the 4A is an incredible price. But if Google starts to go this direction, and again, I've said it before in tons of other previous videos, it is a software game now. The idea that they can go with a lesser bit of hardware, thus charging the consumers less, but have a premium user experience, honestly, that's exactly what Apple has done. Apple doesn't always have the best hardware, and that's okay because they have an exquisite premium experience, and Google's really starting to go that direction. So I fully expect the Pixel 5 to be extraordinary, as well as the 4A has done so far for me. I will definitely be getting the Pixel 5 because I love the idea of what it has and what will become. So that's it. That's all I have. Just a quick video today. Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.